Greetings, everyone. It's good to be here again. Good to see all you friendly faces out there. So I got a new one for you. This is a song about birds, superficially. Bird society, bird hierarchy. But I think you'll find a deeper meaning down there somewhere. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. Those birds of the feather, they are the same mind. Those birds of the feather, they only like their own kind. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. There is that pecking order, it works on down the line. You just know your place, I think you'll do just fine. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. Well, there's safety in numbers, every flock knows that's true. When danger comes around, it might not get to you. Yeah, those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. Well, those ducks don't like the geese, that's just the way it goes. The geese don't like the swans, nobody likes the crows. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. They're a flocking bunch of bird brains, they hide their head in the sand. If you don't look the same, you're not part of the plan. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together. Those birds of the feather, they always stick together. Well, I just have one thought. To me it seems quite plain. They may be different colors, but they're all feathers just the same. Those birds of the feather, they all flock together.